Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, I will try to set up Apache Airflow on Ubuntu operating system. So let's start the video. So let's understand what is Apache Airflow. Apache Airflow is an open source platform for developing, scheduling and monitoring batch-oriented workflows. You can run Airflow in a variety of configurations, from a single node process on your laptop to a distributed system capable of handling massive workloads. It has got a web UI which helps you to visualize, manage and debug your workflows. So let's start the installation process. From the apps menu, start the terminal. Airflow requires Python 3.9 or 3.10. So let me check my Python version by python --version command. And I have 3.12. So either I can uninstall Python and install 3.10, which might affect the other code, or I can create a Conda environment and install Airflow over there. We have already installed Anaconda in our last video. So let me create a virtual environment. Conda create --name airflow_env, which is our environment name, and Python 3.10. So this will install Python 3.10 and other default packages in our virtual environment. So our environment is created. Let's go inside the environment by conda activate and the environment name. So we are inside the airflow_env, which is our virtual environment. You can see the name is changed over here. Now let me check the Python version which we have installed. So Python --version and we have 3.10. Now let's install Airflow in our virtual environment. So I will set these variables. These variable tells us about the Airflow version, which is 3.0.0, and the Python version, which is 3.10. Then we have the constant URL, which basically points to a file where you can find all the dependencies required for the Airflow. For example, if I copy this URL and paste it in the browser and replace Airflow version with 3.0.0 and Python version with 3.10, you can see this is a list of dependencies which needs to be installed. So copy these commands and paste it in the terminal. Now copy pip install command and paste it in the terminal. And our Airflow installation will start. It will take some time to install. Okay, so our Airflow installation is completed. Now let me set airflow_home in the bashrc file. So code.bashrc. This will open bashrc file in VS Code editor. And at the end, export airflow_home equals ~/airflow. Let me source the bashrc file. So source.bashrc. It came out of the virtual environment. Let me again activate the virtual environment. Now it's time to start the Airflow. Airflow itself has many components like API server, scheduler, trigger and drag processor. If you want, you can start each of these instances separately. But there is an option which can be used to start all in one using Airflow standalone command. So let's use Airflow standalone command to start the Airflow. So our Airflow is up and running. Let's go to our browser and go to localhost 8080. It's asking me for a username and password. Airflow standalone has created a username and a password for us, and it is saved in Airflow home location. So I will go inside the Airflow folder, and this is the file which contains the username and password. So cat and the file name. So this is our username and password. I will copy the password, and in the UI the username is admin, and will paste the password. Now I am able to log in inside the Airflow web UI. If you click on the DAGs, these are the sample DAGs which comes by default, and you can see the sample task also. So we are able to set up Apache Airflow on Ubuntu operating system. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.